Teacher get on my nerves. He makes my throat itch. He makes my ass itch. He makes my eye itch. He makes my back hurt. I'd rather just go home and do my homework. I can't focus in his class. My brain hurts. Like, literally, my brain hurts. I think about you all the time. I want you to free my mind. I want you to free my mind. Good morning. Getting ready for class. It is Saturday, 7:50 a.m. I'm so tired, y'all. Y'all should have seen me when I woke up. I was like, it is not 7 a.m. Like, there's no way, because literally I didn't get much sleep, like 4, because in class, I know I'm gonna be hungry. I don't usually really eat in class, but for our little break, we had like a 15-minute break, I might just eat them cold. After my workout, I can have something to eat. But I do have to hurry home so my groceries can come, and I have a meeting at 3 today, I believe, to shoot in Philly. So he said it was like a short, late notice, even though we kind of scheduled this in advance. But honestly, it really doesn't matter to me. This is a shoot that like he wanted to do, and I'm down for collaborating. But if it's not all put together, I'm not like. I'll let them show me some things they wanted to do. If I was comfortable with it and it was cool, we did it. And some stuff that they wanted to see what I wanted to do. We both kind of like work with each other, but just hit me up like, hey, I want to take pictures of you, but you give me the ideas you want to do. Show me the vision you're going for so I can make it come to life. That's the creative aspect of it. Because I'm not a creative director, though I helped with some of that stuff. I'm not a creative director. I'm not the one that has the vision of something unless I'm booking a shoot and I know what kind of shoot I want to do, you know? But like, if you just reach out to me out the woodworks and you're like, hey, let's work, but you come up with all the ideas, it's like, type of thing. So that's why I just say, y'all gotta come a little prepared. Just a little bit. So I'm noticing something. This piece is a little loose, so we're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix this.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor.
Hey, y'all. Current or class break. Teacher get on my nerves. He makes my throat itch. He makes my ass itch. He makes my eye itch. He makes my back hurt. Nobody came to class. They had canceled class, so he's saying like a lot of people today. We're not doing any tests or anything. So So he's like, oh, if y'all leave, whatever. But I'm gonna stay because I'm a good student. Unfortunately, eat my little quesadilla and pineapple. So I really don't want to eat candy this early, but at the same time, I had my fruit and my breakfast. My quesadilla. Okay, I could just leave now. So I can go to the gym and then do my homework at home. Last night I did 2 assignments for both English classes. I'd rather just go home and do my homework. I can't focus in class. My brain hurts. Like, literally, my brain hurts. I don't know how they be having time to go to the store. Ain't no stores around here. I told her I only eat candy, but lately everybody been making me crave sweets. It's terrible. I'm about to wash my show for 10 minutes. Wobble my booty right back downstairs to the bathroom, and then back to class. Cause he be late. He be late to class. He be late from breaks. But you are as a type of late. College is not real. And then I seen something about people saying Trump is stopping fast food. I don't know if that's true, but that's corny. Like, I'm spending a couple thousand just for these academic classes right now. Please stop fast food. Y'all ain't gonna see me no more. School debt not worth it. I'm not gonna lie. Because what I'm going for, I could literally freelance and do that without a degree. But I just want a degree. Like, if I just want to, you know, in that field. But the stuff I'm learning really don't count towards what I'm actually gonna do. But that's life. Unfortunately, that's just how they make life. I'm doing math that I have never done out of my 23 years of living. Couple thousand for academic life. And on top of that, that's for a couple years. And in computer science, you have to have like those prerequisites done in the calculus and pre-calc 2 and all of that other stuff. I don't know nothing about that. I graduated high school and that was that. I never had to do all this math before. For real. My birthday coming up. I don't know how. So I'm just keep flying. My birthday is literally 2 months away and I don't have nothing planned. Well, okay, I'm lying, I do. But it's not what I originally was going to do. Life always just do its own thing. That's why I hate trying to plan stuff like 5 months in advance because it don't ever like fall through. That's why everything I do is off the impulse. The things do not fall through how I be wanting it to when I want it to. For real. I'm gonna watch my show for 5 minutes. Hey guys. I just came back from the gym like 2 hours ago. I had a meeting, a virtual meeting. And I'm gonna unbox one of my packages. This is one of the 2. I ordered this yesterday from Walmart. It ships pretty quick. They be setting my package on the side. I don't like that. The ornaments. That's the wipes that was that heavy. And it's a blender. I got a portable one because I used to have a big blender, a real big one. It's too much to clean, too much work. This you can put soap and water and blend it up, and it's portable. So I was gonna make one after I got out the gym. I did a real quick little 40-minute workout. Got in the sauna for a little bit, along with that 40 minutes. But I had to hurry up and come back home for my 3:30 meeting. So I didn't really get to make a drink. I just had one quesadilla. I was making these little quesadillas that are so good with some sour cream, some pico de gallo, and some hot salsa. My groceries are currently still being shopped. It's going to be on its way soon, so I'll implement that in this video maybe. Show y'all what I got on my pescatarian diet. I think I told you I had found some ground turkey in the freezer, so I did thaw some out, and I am going to make some ground turkey pasta. I don't know what's called, like big seedy type of pasta. So then I'll start my diet, but it's okay. It's okay. So this is a decent size. I'm about to probably still make a smoothie. I have some protein powder already. That's what's supposed to be coming tomorrow, but I have some from this event I had help set up. She was having all this healthy stuff, and she gave us these little protein plant-based powders, which I had bought it before. I don't like it. It's nasty, but it's not about the taste. I'm putting some agave in it and my mangoes. So I'll probably, I don't know if I want to record that, but I'm gonna put my little mangoes and wash it out. My little mangoes and my strawberries. Taking this with me to work and then press it in. I'd rather just probably come home after my workout, which I always do. Like come home after my workout and make a smoothie while I prep dinner and stuff. So yeah, I'm glad I finally got a blender, because I'm just like yesterday it was like getting groceries. And I'm like, first of all, I spent all this money on groceries and I need protein powder, so I went to go get some protein powder, and I needed some more deodorant, so when I work out I can have my own backup deodorant and stuff like that. And then I need some wipes. So I just started getting all this different stuff. I just be spending money. But this was only like 30, or no, I think it was on sale. Walmart is pretty cheap. They had the freaking vitamin C capsules there, and I did not know that. I would have bought it from there instead of trying to go on Amazon buying all that stuff for $100. But, you know, Walmart be cheap, but I'm not physically walking into a Walmart, so I will definitely order from them. And they ship super quick. I know how to use it. I just wanted to show you my package. And this is what I use. This is really good. But when you have black shirts, it do probably, you know, the other one, the baby powder one, stains it. This actually has not stained. Or maybe it has probably once. I don't know, you have to probably really sweat for it to stain. Like, I don't be sweating, so it don't stain my clothes, but that's a decent, it keep it nice and fresh. But yeah, I just want to show my little package. Tomorrow my protein powder will come, my screen protector, and I think I was about to order vitamins, but I just didn't, because I have all these vitamins here that I need to start taking again. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower and hop in the bowl, make my smoothie, and hop in the bed until my groceries get here. It shouldn't take too much longer. I think she's about to be done shopping for it. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to say what's up and show y'all my little package, because y'all know every time I get a package, I gotta show y'all. So my pescatarian diet starts tomorrow. I had to take it tonight, I ain't gonna lie. Take the tacos. So I got tilapia. They didn't have no catfish, so I had to get tilapia, salmon, some lettuce, some spinach, because I left my other spinach out. Some romaine to make some like tuna wraps. Probably just tuna wraps, maybe fish wraps. When I was in the sauna today, the guy was like, he was just giving my credit. And then he was like, you look like you eat healthy, you look good. Like everybody's telling me I look good. I'm like, that's okay. Because I'm over here thinking I'm getting fed. But everything proportionate right. I got some spicy black bean burgers. I didn't know it was spicy. I got some raw shrimp.
Nigga don't approach your whip that a turret. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
So I'm making sushi. I love sushi, y'all. And I'm not gonna keep buying sushi out. All that sodium, all that salt. So I'm making it at home. I've made sushi before. But it's like 9 servings. Chips for my Chipotle bowls. My Qdoba bowls I've been making. So since I can't use chicken anymore, I'm gonna probably use tuna, rice. Same thing, the mild, the hot, the guac. She didn't get guac. She didn't get the tortilla. She didn't get a few things. It's my fault for adding it so late, but regardless, I still told her to add it. I don't cook with peppers that often. I know it's gonna go bad. So I just got the frozen ones. I usually don't do that, but it's probably like my second time buying these. I got mussels. I only got one. I meant to get 2 of this. I had took the white one out because I like garlic. I love mussels. I love seafood. All seafood. Wheat bread. I'm too healthy. I thought it was honey wheat. It's whole wheat, not honey wheat. I got whole wheat bread, unfortunately. Did she get cheese? Okay, she got cheese. I got more burger buns, which I don't need right now because I already have. I didn't know it came with 8. I'm joking.
Do you think my brain is made for